So we'll be able to see Danny if he's anywhere in these bushes. Oh, what was that? No, it's not, it's just bushes and trees. Oh, there's a hole. I'm on the grass now. Oh, you can see something. That's just leaves. And that is it. And as I say, this is my granddad's garden, and it goes all the way back to the house. And I will show you all inside the house. So, we have this, which is my grandma and nana's shed. Ooh, I need to zoom out. Jazz, that's Keeper, nana's shed. All of these. I'm just doing a quick video because I don't want to be too long because I got to get my tea. And I got to go see my granddad and see what he's doing. So I gotta be really quick. There's my cat Blaze again. Hi Blaze! Blaze! Blaze, say hi! Hi! And just open the gate. There she is. She is cute as always. She's beautiful. And we'll leave my granddad's shed. We'll just say that's his shed. That's his shed. There's nothing valuable in there. We have a fire pit. We have that. We have a beer conservatory. We have this, which hasn't been. It's full of chairs. Cat array, so we can take cats. Come on, guys. Garden, balcony. We just have downstairs, and this is the beautiful house that we all have. Bye. Come back for more later.